Hope everyone's having a good weekend. Want to pop in here and do a quick review of the market, quick overview. Listen, I apologize in advance for my voice because for some reason I can't clear it today. But when you look at the market, it looks like it wants higher price, right? Market wants higher price. You can see here by the volume, it continues higher. Same thing with the QQQs. Both want much higher price. But yeah, I have the projected price moves that I mentioned in prior videos, so I won't take the time to go over that. I do think this week is going to be a little bit volatile because we have the Fed meeting. Fed meeting on Tuesday, Wednesday. Rate decision comes out on Wednesday afternoon at 2 o'clock. So we can see some action either way. But overall, the market wants higher price, and I think probably significantly higher into the end of the year after we get in through this week and into October through the end of the year. I think you'll see that run. But when that happens, you don't have to worry about it because there'll be ABC structures that'll set up before then. What's taking the market higher? Google. Look at Google. It's taken off. Projected price move for Google's 270. You see my cursor kind of dancing erratically over here to the left. The reason why that's significant is there's nothing over here to the left for it to contend with. We're smooth sailing and clean air. That's what we like to see. Avago taking the market higher. Broadcom, same thing. Nothing to contend with over here. Oracle, same thing. Big earnings. Nothing over here. Lam Research. If I can click it. Excuse me. Confirmed breakout to 146. And you'd say, well, if you look at this in the weekly, we don't have the volume if you compare this week to this week, but we do, and I'll tell you why. I'll let you in another secret. You see this 20-day moving average over here? We track the 20-day moving average. The magic of that, or the reason for that, is because there's an average of 20 trading days in the month, and you'll notice that we exceeded that on volume. So this would be a confirmed ABC structure to the 146 area. So Chips and Lam Research is taking this market higher. Tesla too. I've kind of made fun of Tesla because it didn't go anywhere since June. But it did break out this week. If you look at the volume from May, the end of May, to this week, we took out that candle on 471 million. So this is a confirmed ABC structure to the 427 area. The problem is, in comparison to the other stocks I showed you, it has all this to contend with on the left. Look at this volume we have to contend with on the left. We have this, of course, we have this massive candle here of 642 million. And it's just volume you got to contend with on the left that makes it just a trickier trade. So it's not the ideal trade. The Googles and the Avagos and the Oracles would be a better setup than that. Or the Goldman Sachses. You look at financials they're breaking out, whether it's Goldman Sachs or Bank of America, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan. A lot of them, if not all of them, are breaking out. The reason why we like Goldman Sachs is because it's a market leader. So 838 is the projected price move for Goldman Sachs. A few others we're keeping our eye on, of course, is Tesla. Tesla's coiling up, building cost to break out. If and when it does take out this high here of 242, 323 is the projected price move. So that's a nice move. We like that. Also watching Walmart. The reason why we like Walmart is kind of interesting is you like stocks that have a long channel like this. This basing channel typically makes the move more, stronger and more deliberate. Those aren't the right words, but more powerful would be the right word. So 145 is the projected price move when it takes out that channel. So even though it's Walmart versus some of the sexier tech stocks, kind of keeping an eye on that. And of course, keeping an eye on Amazon because, Meta. We're keeping an eye on Meta because of the big move. So when Meta takes out the 7485 on volume, this one will go to 1038. So that's a big move, a couple hundred points. So that's something you want to keep your eyes on. So I hope everyone again is having a good weekend. Apologize for my voice. I know it's miserable, but I wanted to get through this and hope you find a nugget or two of value in it and continue to have a great weekend and trade them well.